Hello, dear friends and dear ones. Recently, on 26th February, my friend and myself has attended one program which was informed by our friend regarding a seminar of Mr. Hemsingh Patle sir, which was organized at Surya Hotel on 26th February. As nowadays habits are being recognized as a valuable thing, we both have decided to attend this program. We are expecting that more so the seminar would be on habits, but when we have attended this seminar for more than 5 and 3 30 minutes. We have found that sir has teacher teach us many things which are more important and valuable in current perspective and our life. They are directly affecting our day-to-day life. He teaches us about spokes of life, self-image, the power of subconscious mind, how our subconscious mind can be developed, dominoes effect, the power of belief, powerful habits. He has elaborated about 6 powerful habits. Second thing about habits, he has informed us regarding 2R, that is repeat and regularly, passion and purpose of our life, and lastly about wealthy habits. More so, when we have attended and came out from this seminar, we were so satisfied, find ourselves, and my friend has also expressed his same feelings about the seminar. We have got a book also, and we have gone through that book